Good evening, everyone, and good evening, the dignitaries on dais. Good evening, everybody, and namaste. I'm Mahendra Sharma from Indian Pride. Indian Pride is our product, and we have developed it at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. One more from Gujarat today. So I would like to start my presentation about Indian Pride with a bit of context behind it. And I would like to start with some questions, very basic questions. I'm not a teacher here and I don't expect you to answer intelligently also. But the questions are, when you talk to yourself, what language do you speak? I would like to repeat, when you talk to yourself, what language do you speak? What was the language your first kid story was? आपको बचपन में जो बाल कथा सुनने मिली थी कौन सी लैंग्वेज में थी? वो आंसर आप अपने पास रखिए, नो नीड टू रेज द हैंड्स एंड से मी बट and I'll answer this. What language? And I bet हमारा सबका आंसर एक ही होगा. What language your mother speaks to you often? फोन पे बात करते हैं, अभी तो हम सब दूर रहते हैं मदर से, अलग अलग जगहों पे, पर फोन पे हम मदर से बात करते हैं और एक लैंग्वेज होती है, एंड द लैंग्वेज इज मदर टंग, एंड दैट इज मेड ऑफ टू लॉजिकल वर्ड्स कॉल्ड मदर प्लस टंग. दैट इज द लैंग्वेज मदर स्पीक्स टू अस, एंड द लैंग्वेज which is being taught to us, which we learn first when we speak. So that is mother tongue. Now I have few more questions to understand this context more. What if all the primary and secondary studies are in mother tongue? The answer is excellent. Because we understand our mother tongue very easily, it would be easier for us to understand the education. We are not learning the language there, we are learning the education, we are learning the subjects. So it would have been great if we learn all the subjects in our mother tongue. Could anyone stop China to grow because they didn't know English? No, not at all. China has grown drastically in few 20, 30 years, and they speak Chinese. They write Chinese, and they want us to eat Chinese also. That's the brand they have built behind the language. And then why India is running after English? That's the simple, pretty question I ask to everyone. I asked yourself, I asked myself also many times, that why? And I don't have idea. Actually, I have no idea. That has been some ecosystem built around us, and we have lost even the idea why English. So that is the context behind our products called Indian Pride. And the way to move forward is, mother tongue is a freedom and not a burden. Express yourself in your mother tongue and you will never be misunderstood. And I caught this sentence again. If you express yourself in your mother tongue, and you would never be misunderstood. And that's where the Indian Pride is coming into the picture. Indian Pride is here to help you out. What is Indian Pride? It's a brief description about it. We are a mobile app company. We have mobile apps to help people read and write in Indian languages conveniently. This is the simple context behind Indian Pride. There is a technical diagram that's describing what Indian Pride is all about, and it is pretty simple to understand. Indian Pride has two major areas, reading apps and writing apps. Reading app has again two areas, free content and there is a premium content. Free content includes a lot of news, jokes, recipes, ebooks. Premium content has ebooks, self-created content, sourced content, and the writing app has free tools and the premium tools to write in mother tongue. How we earn? There are three different ways of earning AdMob revenue: in-app purchases and premium app purchases. So we have made it a self-sustained format where we run, if not a profitable company, but a self-sustainable company. Now this is all about Indian pride, but दुल्हन अभी घूंघट में है, उस घूंघट को अभी खोलेंगे और मुंह दिखाई देने के लिए तैयार रहना. The Gujarati Pride apps, this was the first. What we do is we give a pride behind each language. So Gujarati Pride apps, these are the apps we did in Gujarati. Then we did Hindi Pride apps, and we have delivered the free and premium content and the tools within that. Marathi Pride has different applications. Then there are other languages. Picture thoda sa baki sir. Aadhi minute. There are proud moments we have lived in past 1.5 years. We were awarded Geishia Award, that was the Gujarat's premium award for best application in Gujarati. We were Ambilion finalists last year also. We have got App Star Award in Vodafone. We have got Computer Society of India Award. Some figures are here. 2.5 million downloads altogether, 20,000 plus reviews, 4.5 out of 5 in Android and 4.0 in iOS. Over 1 lakh active users every day and 1 crore ad impressions every month. So that's the minting tree, the dollar tree we already have. Future plans are living in a pocket of every Indian as an app. High quality language apps we will deliver, increase the ad revenue and increase the in-app purchases. Bit about our history, that is Nishtech. Nishtech is our company name. Myself and my partner, I would like to introduce himself. Mr. Nilesh Shah is my partner. Myself, Mahendra Sharma. 3 years experience, 45 people, 450 plus projects. We earn from services, we deliver, we invest in products. That's the simple model we have. And end of the presentation, I would like to say it is not just a product, it is a language, preserving the language that would preserve the literature and that would preserve the culture. So Gandhi took it from Gujarat, and that too we also started it from Gujarat. Thank you very much.
Thanks, man. We're taking questions towards the end. So now I'll call Rohit, who is answering some of your questions.